Tapos embrace mo.
Okay, then you teka, dito ka.
Sige, take injection.
Yaya, hawakan mo to ha, baka gumanon eh.
Hawak mo.
Okay.
Hello?
Anak.
Yes po.
Look. Wala pa! Selena, you might get hurt. Look there.
Don't move your arm kasi
Ma'am,
masakit talaga.
Ha?
Shopee po. Hindi ko
Don't
may...
move your arm kasi masakit talaga if you move your arm.
Sige, ma'am.
Don't move your arm, please.
Okay, no more na. Shh.
Okay,
Ay,
sige,
be,
sit
ang
down.
galing mo.
Okay, wow!
Finish na. Wala na. Finish na. No more na, see? Finish. See? Oh, no more na. Yung bread. Okay, bread.
Bigay mo lahat.
Oh.
It's yours na. It's yours na. Tapos.
What pa naman?
Oh, no more na.
No more na.
Good afternoon.
Finish na. Finish na.
Say, I did it.
Ay, ma'am, finish.
I did it.
Po. Na-delay ko na po sa kanya. Ay, nasa kanya po lahat ng... Oo, nasa kanya lahat ng delay.
No more na. Pia.
Miss Luz Buen.
Stop
Say
it.
bye.
Kaya lang, nakaano siya eh.
Say bye.
Oh, yeah, stay with me outside. Wait for me outside. I'll just stay.
Say bye-bye. Say bye. Say bye.
815.
Say, I had an injection. Bye-bye.